Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for joining me for this brand new project share. I am unbelievably excited to share this cute little mini album with you. And this time I actually used Echo Park. It's a boy paper collection. This is from 2022 and it's got all those cute little cut apart pages and a nice cardstock sticker sheet. And really, I just flew away with this one. So right on the front cover, I kind of did a different decorating style where I have some twine going around a solid piece of cardstock there that's like a navy blue. I fussy cut out some of my own little leaves there and some different banners, and I doodled a few of these little leaves as well. And then I thought the saying on the front was so cute. I hope you love it, Jasmine and your cousin. I designed this one to be a great album for the baby's first pictures. So a beautiful little picture can go right there on the front. And I was limited on what I had, but you can of course make a nice large frame right there for the baby and the mother's first picture. I have the entire class 100% ready, and I'll leave that as a link down in the description if you're interested in taking it. And I've got this ribbon, actually, this is the first time I've ever done this. I got a cool little angle pocket there, and I popped up one of the stickers from the sticker sheet, baby boy. And then I put some little sheer ribbon across. This is just from the Dollar Tree. And this awesome guy comes out of here, and I just thought it was cute to kind of just leave those circles nice and solid. Thanks to my friend, Sarah, she actually got me these cool little white brads. You can fit a ton of stuff in this. Hospital bracelet, a bunch of extra pictures can fit in here. I just kind of stuffed a little tag. And of course you could top your tags and add pictures on the back of the little cut apart pages. I just love it. And I did like a slight angling for that. I don't know if you could tell, but it kind of tapers in ever so slightly. And I teach you how to do that if you wanted to. And a couple little stickers right there. Right here on the first page, I have this, I just can't get enough of the acetate. A beautiful 4x6 uncropped picture can go right there. And then we got a cute little guy in the back. So I left this area open just for extra little doodads. So this opens up right here. And it's a little magnetic closure and folds down again. Cute little onesie right there, and then some of those little stacked little guys. And this magnetizes closed. I love this interaction. It's kind of like a 12x12 layout sort of thing. A couple little 2x2 picture spaces, and then adorable little cut aparts from the paper collection. So many of my smiles begin with you. I just loved it. Right here on this page, I love this cool little side pocket, and it's super simple. We got a 5x7 photo spot right here. Both sides, no cropping necessary. And then this little booklet, so some 2x2s, and I kind of just assembled those stickers on there. And then I put a little strip of the design paper on both sides, so beautiful 4x6 photo area. Awesome, 4 pictures can fit in there. You can even put more mats on this side and get pictures on the front and back of these. Cute little cut apart right there. And I thought it would be fun to make this little removable tag, which is magnetic. And I assembled some little guys on there. Cute little picture can go here with some journaling on the back. And then I circle punched that little guy for a notch. A couple button stickers there. Punched my eyelet, had that going on. I just love the blue paper showing through. I just thought that was so cool. And if you've never actually taken a class with me before, I'll leave one up here for you to try out, just to see if it's something you're interested in. I love how that just magnetizes right on top. I just had way too much fun. This was probably one of my favorite parts. I, for some reason, wanted to make little booklets for tiny little picture spaces, and then a whole assembly of different little belly bands. So this one's stationary. These little guys come out. And you can put the pictures right in there, journal, or even put anything you want. Here's another little booklet. Just slips out. Some little 4x3 cut aparts right there. And then really, you can stuff a ton of stuff under all of these right inside there. So I kind of just left that opportunity open for anybody who wanted to put something in there. And that's a stationary piece, and I just thought it was so fun. For some reason, I wanted to do some vertical, I don't know, it reminded me of like a crib or something. But it's like a cool little layout. I was totally digging that, and I fussy cut these stars actually out of the paper collection myself and stuck these little guys on there. This was a serious blast to make, and again, I'll leave the entire tutorial for this specific design down in the description. Jasmine, I hope you and your cousin enjoy this for years to come, and I love you very much. And I'll see everyone next time. Bye.